Mars has fascinated humans for ages, prompting NASA to consistently deploy cameras and robots to investigate its surface. While much of what they encounter is simply sand, some findings have been surprisingly intriguing, and even a little unsettling. Could Martians actually exist? It's a possibility worth considering. Here are some of the strangest discoveries made on the red planet. The tangled object. Here's some context for the first entry. What qualifies as strange on Mars, a planet we've barely explored? While rocks and formations are expected, anything out of place captures attention. In 2022, NASA's Perseverance rover found a tangled, string-like material. On Earth, this might seem ordinary, but on Mars, it raised questions. The mystery unraveled when scientists traced it to the rover's 2021 landing. Perseverance used Dacron netting, which shredded and scattered during touchdown, explaining the string. Though resolved, it highlighted the challenges of Mars landings, crucial lessons for future missions. Another curious claim surfaced when a scientist shared an image of a Colosseum-like structure, allegedly on Mars. He said his boss withheld it to avoid public panic, but social media had plenty to say. Martian blueberries. Let's explore a strange Martian mystery. In 2004, NASA's Opportunity rover landed on Mars and discovered peculiar blue, iron-rich rocks nicknamed Martian blueberries. Their rounded shape suggests they didn't form naturally but were shaped over time, possibly by water. This points to a fascinating possibility. Mars once had abundant water that helped create these formations. By comparing similar sites on Earth, like Utah and Mongolia, scientists are piecing together how these blueberries formed and where water once flowed on the red planet. This discovery reshapes our understanding of Mars' watery past. Martian pyramids. From above, things often look different than they do up close, and Mars is no exception. Over the years, probes and satellites have sent back images that sparked analysis, debate, and even conspiracy theories. One such image, taken during the Viking missions in the 1970s, showed what appeared to be a pyramid rising from Mars' surface. Its 4 distinct edges fueled speculation and even inspired episodes of Doctor Who. However, this pyramid is not what it seems. Like debunked pyramid sightings in Antarctica, this Martian formation is actually a mesa, an erosion-carved landform that resembles a pyramid from certain angles. It's a reminder of how perspective can create illusions, leading to misconceptions about the red planet. Martian dust devils. In 2023, NASA's Perseverance rover captured an incredible image of a massive dust devil on Mars. Unlike Earth's tornadoes, these swirling columns are made of dust and loose particles. While common on Mars due to its thin atmosphere, this one was extraordinary, towering about 2 kilometers high, 5 times taller than the Empire State Building. Such phenomena highlight challenges for future Mars missions. Dust devils of this scale could endanger equipment and astronaut safety, underscoring the need for careful planning in human exploration and colonization efforts. Light on Mars. In 2019, NASA's Curiosity rover captured an intriguing image of a bright light on Mars' surface. While it might seem like evidence of alien activity, the explanation is simpler and tied to Mars' unique conditions. The light was likely caused by cosmic rays, high-energy particles from space that can strike objects and briefly create a glow. Mars' thin atmosphere offers little protection from these rays, making such phenomena more visible. Similar occurrences have been noted by other rovers. Another possibility is sunglint, where sunlight reflects off Martian dust or ice, causing a fleeting brightness. These events aren't signs of alien life but rather insights into Mars' environment. They also emphasize the need to protect astronauts from cosmic rays, a key challenge for future Mars missions and colonization plans. Metallic meteorite. Mars' unique environment plays a crucial role in preserving meteorites, such as the egg rock discovered by the Curiosity rover. Unlike Earth, Mars' thin atmosphere allows meteorites to survive entry with minimal damage, avoiding the intense burning that occurs on our planet. The egg rock, made of iron and nickel, is believed to be a fragment of a larger asteroid that broke apart before landing on the Martian surface. Studying these meteorites provides valuable insights into Mars' history, including its age, erosion patterns, and the effects of wind over time. This knowledge is vital for preparing future human missions to Mars, offering a better understanding of how materials and equipment might endure the planet's harsh environment. If you're planning to create content around this topic, delving into how meteorites reveal Mars' environmental impact on materials would make for an engaging and thought-provoking exploration. The face of Mars. It seems you're referring to the well-known face on Mars, first spotted by NASA's Viking 1 mission in 1976. When the initial low-resolution image of the Cydonia region was shared, many people thought they saw a face-like structure, complete with eyes, a nose, and a mouth. This discovery led to widespread speculation about extraterrestrial life and the possibility of ancient civilizations on Mars. However, subsequent missions, including NASA's Mars Global Surveyor and Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, captured much sharper images that debunked the idea. These higher-resolution images revealed that the face was simply a natural rock formation, its appearance shaped by light and shadow interacting with the terrain. The illusion seen in the earlier image was due to the low resolution and specific lighting at the time. This incident is a classic example of pareidolia, our brain's tendency to perceive familiar patterns, like faces, in random shapes. It also highlights how technological advancements and clearer data can demystify what once seemed enigmatic. An ancient lake. Exciting new discoveries on Mars are making waves, particularly the revelation of an ancient lakebed uncovered by NASA's Perseverance rover. This finding could significantly enhance our understanding of the planet's history, especially the possibility of ancient life. The discovery of sediment layers within a crater strongly suggests the presence of an ancient lake. This provides a promising site to search for traces of water, and perhaps microbial life, that may have thrived millions of years ago. It further supports the idea that Mars was once a much more hospitable world, with liquid water flowing on its surface. The next stage of exploration, which involves digging beneath the Martian surface to gather more samples, could bring us closer to answering a profound question: did life, even in microbial form, ever exist on Mars? The potential for groundbreaking revelations about the red planet's past is truly thrilling, and Perseverance is leading the charge in uncovering Mars' secrets. The door. You're referring to the image captured by NASA's Curiosity rover, which revealed a rock formation on Mars that some believed looked like a door. Taken in May 2022, the photo showed a small, rectangular opening in a rock formation within Gale crater. The straight edges and shadows sparked speculation about the possibility of an ancient Martian civilization or even a secret government base. However, it was later explained as a natural geological feature. Mars rocks often crack due to seismic activity and environmental conditions, leading to shapes that may appear man-made depending on lighting and perspective. The formation itself was only 30 centimeters tall and 40 centimeters wide, making it relatively small. Spikes. It looks like you're exploring some intriguing discoveries about the unusual rock formations observed on Mars by NASA's Curiosity rover. The peculiar spikes found in Gale crater have captured the interest of experts, including those at the SETI Institute. While they may initially appear to be otherworldly or even alien, scientists believe these formations are likely the remains of a larger rock structure that has eroded over time. The spikes could be remnants of cracks in the rock, which have withstood the gradual erosion of the surrounding material. This is a fascinating example of how even the most curious natural features can be explained by geological processes, although they still remain quite impressive. South Pole shapes. That sounds like an intriguing segment. The Martian South Pole is shrouded in mystery, and the strange formations discovered there are absolutely fascinating. It's incredible how natural forces such as ice, dust, and meteor impacts can create unexpected patterns that resemble things like angels, devils, or hearts. It truly emphasizes the unpredictable nature of the environment and how shapes and structures can form under extraordinary conditions.